Good morning. What's up? So I did something really dumb yesterday, and I didn't want to make a video about it, but I'm going to make a video about it. So yesterday on Oracle, this is today's Oracle. Yesterday's Oracle, CTRM was like right here. It was a green one. Okay. It said that the resistance was in the, I want to say 550s. Yeah, and the signal was at 5. So there was a 50-cent range and it had a low float. It had a 2 million float. See, 2 million float volume. No, yesterday's volume was like 7 million. Now, I looked at the daily chart and I was like, I don't know. It's been a previous spiker that gives back its spikes. Had a lot of volume. On 8 million volume, it only really went to 540. So a lot of overhead resistance and it couldn't push past. And so I was thinking, um, this is trending up pre-market. It's coming for a pullback. And I got in at, and let me tell you, I wanted to get in here, okay? I'm always fighting this feeling of like, I'm going to miss out. So I waited for it to pull back and I got in like here because I was like, oh, it's like over pre-market. This is cool. It's going to like touch and bounce and rip, right? Um, so like right in here, I want to say in the 430s. And no, I'm going to tell you exactly. Hang on. I'm logging into my E-Trade. Oh, E-Trade. I've pretty much successfully blown up my account in like 5 months. No, 4 months. Ever since May. It's really fucking sad. I made iced coffee today in my house. Really cool. All you really need is ice and coffee. So my account from a grand is at 315.35. I want to puke. And what did I do? I bought CTRM at 458, so somewhere in there, and I was feeling good about myself. I was like, "Good entry, Liz. You waited for the pullback." And and I held through all of this. Yes, I did. It was really, really dumb. And I said to myself like it was like I did not make a risk like, oh, this is my risk. Pre-market high is my risk. I was like, my risk is going to be like here. This is probably a scuba diver play. It'll consolidate and it'll bounce back up. Not a good idea. Just going to zoom out a little. This was one of those things of like, hey Liz, want to short stuff? Want to act like a short even though you're going long? So I finally, after the pain was too intense, got out somewhere here near the bottom at 312.39. So yeah, and I ended up taking my cute little account from 470 to 315. And meanwhile, oh shit, the market opened. Meanwhile, this one was another one that I was watching because it was a low float. And it, well, let me show you 2 days. It was crazy. This one spikes $2. I was watching over here. And I was like, you know, so fucking crazy. Let's see the daily chart. It was a beautiful $2, $3 rip. And I was like, what was I thinking? Another failed spike scenario. But this had 10 million volume yesterday and went to 8. So that sucked. um, yeah. But, and I'm working now, so it's like super hard for me to even look at the market. Like I had yesterday and today off. That's the only reason why I'm able to look at stuff. Let's look at Oracle. This one's crazy. TNAV. This one had like, woo, I've never seen such a huge drop like this on so much I guess, selling volume. I have no idea what's going on with this play. But I was like, whoa. Makes me want to dip buy it, right? Oops. What did I do? Okay. So like a few minutes after the market open, I will get like the long delta, and then I just like pick the one that has the most. But yesterday, you know what's funny? The signal never got activated, and it ended up doing one of these of just going short. It was like green, but it never got activated, and then this started to light up. Kind of like this example, actually. Exactly like this example. Let's see, WMS. How do I open you? Yeah, so what's the signal? 32, 37. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on with that type of scenario. I guess it's like it could be a long if it hits the signal, but then like, you know. Um TNAV TNAV has a signal for long in the 670s, but it's also a short. Doesn't seem like it'll go to the 670s. The float's kind of high too, but yesterday I had a big float too on EDSA that ended up moving. Too high price. This has a nice one, but I don't know why it's supposed to go long. This one already filled its thing or didn't. I don't remember. I don't know. What's going on with this one? MDLA. Let me compare the chart to Oracle. 3491. Yeah, this. So until 37. Wow, that goes quick. That's really quick. But I like Oracle. So cool. I guess it's going from red to green. I don't know. What else is there? Cool example, right? This one crashing. TNAB's up here. The short delta got activated because it went past 634. So until 598, it's going to keep going, I guess, is what it means. I don't see any low floats today, which are my favorite. What happened here? It's so hard to go long, it really is. What was this one? MDLA. Where did it go? MDLA. RKDA is a short? Am I crazy? Wasn't MDLA like right there? Oh, look, Ed says a short today. That's crazy. Did it just disappear? It just disappeared, I think. 1 cent move. That one's red. I'm like trying to find something. It might be nothing though. Wow, look at that one from 16 to 25, long delta. TNAV. I don't know anything about this company. How much was this balance? $2 balance, damn. Let's see what else. What's going on with this one? Oh, dang it. Oh, what's the minus sign in front of this? NTGN. So those are some of my questions. Um, 380 to 418. I think this is spiking. 380 to 418. I'm going to wait for a pullback on this one and get in. 27 million float. Yeah, like right there would be cool. What is the daily chart of this? Looks like a gap fill. I feel like gap fills reject though. This is what happened to me yesterday in CTRM. It was a gap fill, I think. Market, some kind of technology. I feel like this is literally what I did yesterday. I got in on a dip. I don't even know where the levels are. I guess this is pre-market high and then it bounces on it, but then it drops, but then it's back up. This one just looks weird. I guess it touches pre-market low. If it can come back to here, it'd be interesting. Maybe I'll try to get it on my phone. What does Oracle say about it? NTGN 418 from 380. Long delta. That's 38 cents. Let's see. The long delta just got activated. Let's see. NTGN. NTGN. Fuck. This is like crazy right now. You have to wait for a pullback. This is where I always fuck up. Okay, cool. Crashing. It's a biotech. You know what? I think I'm gonna make 367 my risk. Finding risk is hard too. It's like I was thinking about getting 80 shares at 387, but it just looks toppy right now. See? It always looks like it wants to kiss VWAP, and it might happen right there in the 370s. I like that it's a top percent gainer though. I think I held a long time yesterday because I didn't want to take the loss. Because my account is so fucked, where I just didn't want to fuck it up anymore. I think having so many losses and like all that shit really like gets in my head. I think this wants to touch VWAP, but I'm not sure. If I get in at the 390s, should I risk 25 cents? Oh, you cocksucker. See, and then I go say to myself, okay, just get in now. Look, it double topped. Double topped at 4. Just gonna try this. 3. Yeah, I think 375 will be my risk. I think this is a stupid trade. I really do. I really do. What's happening here? These are too high priced, so let me just get rid of them. Okay. See what I mean? We gotta wait and see if this holds. I do 377, 375. 375 will be my risk then. I didn't press it because it's looking weird to me. It's touching VWAP right here. Okay, I'll give it a shot now. 381. So quick, man. I placed my order at 381. I hate chasing. I changed my order to 383. Nothing yet. It's just too quick, bro. Nothing got executed. You fucking bastard. Oh, you fucking bastard. Canceling my order. Fucking cocksucker. F cell. That's a big float. Let's see what else. See? That's how Oracle works. Isn't it cool? F cell. F cell looks nice. How many things of F cell can I buy? It's another gap fill. No, I want a 1 minute chart. Oh my god. It's almost reaching the long delta. F cell to 45. F cell. How many of these can I buy? Maybe 1,000 shares. At 0.426. How much is that? Oh, I don't have enough money for that. About 500 shares. That would be $200. 0.426. Maybe my risk could be 0.42. 425. Oh my god. 0.42 times 500 is 210. 0.45 times 500 is 225. There's just not enough like risk reward on this one for me. I'm just shooting in the dark. This one has 11 cents of range. Ooh. Hey, is this one climbing? Or no? What happened with this one? Did it, 424. Guess it went higher from 418. Fucking bastard. That was the entry. But what was this? Was that 30 cents? Yeah, that was 40 cents of range. No! Upsell. This shit. This is how I trade, people. Lost and confused. Are you spiking, you fucking asshole? You are, aren't you? Is CTRM on here? Hi, honey. MNK. What's MNK's deal? This one, MNK. This one went long. Domo. Isn't that possible to go from to 25? $8 of range? Is that even possible? Disappointment after earnings? I don't even know what Domo is. How many of it can I buy is my question. 300 bucks divided by 17 equals 17 shares. 17 shares times like $2 of range is 34 bucks. It does look like a nice little stair stepper thing. Earnings call transcript. Maybe I would make that my risk level. Another entry point, possibly. Although I don't like it when it goes past like the previous highs, but sometimes it does that. It finds its footing again. It's a nice like boop, boop, boop. I'm realizing I have no idea how to trade. Let me get rid of FSEL. FSEL would have been a loss. This one's still kind of tempting. Rome. Reminds me of Italy. Something Italian. Earnings. If I get in this, what is my risk level? What if it doesn't move $8 a share like Oracle says it will, you know? Then what am I doing? 1686 is the signal. Maybe my risk is 15.99 then. I'm just gonna fucking try this shit. Domo. Buy 17 shares at 17 bucks. That's 293. Maybe I could buy 18 shares. Let's see. 17 shares. No, I want. God damn it! I changed my price to fucking. No, I want my shares to 18. I almost put my limit order of 18. Limit price. It's 310. Maybe I can do 1690. Oh my god. Just broke my risk level. Now what do I, you know what I'm saying? This is so stupid. This is way too high priced and crazy. It's not even green, so what am I doing? I'm gonna go take a nap. I'm just scared of this now. Yeah, if it's green, I mean, if it's red, but the green thing lights up, what does that mean? I'm gonna take a photo. CTRM. Goodbye. Wow, Edzo. I'm just not sure about anything, so I'm not making a move. This looks nice though. But I think if it's a high and then a lower high and then a lower high, that's not a good sign for me. I think I've done stuff like that before. I think I should step away from the computer at this time before I make a stupid mistake. this is weird now. It's crossing under VWAP. This one's making lower highs. I think I'm just going to call it a day and not do anything. If it breaks this level, then to me it's just going south. I don't like it when stocks break levels they've already established. It is holding 394 nicely though. Yeah, 394. If it makes a lower high than 423, then it'll be like one of those triangle things. I don't know what they are. You know what? I'll do a paper trade. Why not? Let's do 100 shares. Blew through my entry. 407. 405. You know what I want to see? Is this breaking out? Is the SPY breaking out? Almost, right? I want to see what EDSA did yesterday. It had that same thing that NTGN is sort of doing. You know what else is really funny? I was trying to do some like positive thinking, and I was like, yesterday, I was like, I'm gonna make hundreds of dollars in the stock market today. And you know what I did? I lost 100. It was so funny. I was like, well, that shit doesn't work. I should just got into Etsy. Yeah, this thing is just... My prediction right now is this thing breaks this level. Mm. It keeps that level well. 392. What happened here? I think I'm done. At least I didn't lose any money today. Yeah, that's it. I'm not going to do anything. Bye, guys.